Well, good morning. It is the 17th of February and we're out for a camp, and as you can see, somewhere we've not been before to camp. We are in North Lincolnshire, and to be more specific, in Barton upon Humber. So we've got an 11-mile route planned, and we're taking the day packs because we actually walked past the car on the way back. So that's when we're going to pick up the packs, head along the banks and camp on a small nature reserve just close to the Humber Bridge. So not very far for us to travel because we're actually from Hull, so it's only about 15 minutes away, so that'll be something quite new as well. But yes, a very windy day as well. We considered going to the North Yorkshire moors, but with it gusting in the 40s, we thought find somewhere sheltered at ground level would be better. So I have the usual suspect with me. So morning, Rich. So yes, should be fun, and be nice to camp somewhere different. Right, see you on the way. Right, so 5 miles in and 2 hours. And we've just reached New Holland, so may take 5 here, and then it's on and back towards Barton. So we're at the 9-mile mark. We just got back into Barrow, and as you can see, the weather's taking a turn for the worst. It's meant to be sunny spells all day, but a lot of dark cloud around now, and we've just had a couple of showers, so hopefully it'll perk up a bit later. So now we're just going to head on to the pub, grab a bite to eat and a drink, and then should be time to head to the spot then. Right, so it's 3:30, and as you can see, big pack's on. Richie with his big pack on, and we're heading to the spot now, so Take us about 15 minutes, I think, maybe a bit longer. And yeah, see where I pitched up. Right, so it's 5:15. As you can see, we're pitched up. We left it to pretty much bang on sunset to pitch up, due to the fact we're on a nature reserve and we're at ground level and there were still a few people wandering around. So yeah, we've been pitched up for about 10-15 minutes. Just witnessed a nice sunset. And yes, the name of the game today is Stealth. So we've got Rich in his Z-Pax Ultraplex in camo and his nice black jacket and black trousers, and I'm in my dark green Lightwave G20, and unfortunately my bright orange down jacket, because I haven't got a dark coloured one. So yes, I did a good walk today, 10 miles, and had something nice to eat in the George Inn. Was very, very nice. So just over through there is a bird watching hut, and someone's just gone over there, but we're quite tucked away. It's probably the most discreet spot there is here. It's a little alcove. So yes, now it's dark, you're not going to get many people around, because it took us 20 minutes from the car, so it's a good mile. Yeah, I'm going to sit down now and have a bit of a chill, maybe have a cheeky cider, one of them, and yes, I'll see you in the morning, if not sooner. Right, well, we're on our way back to the car. Got packed up nice and early and headed off, with it being quite a public place. We don't want to be hanging around too long. So yeah, we had a bit of a strange weather phenomenon last night. Just sat there having a drink, relaxing. Next thing you know, thunder, lightning and hailstone. Yeah, I couldn't believe it myself. So we literally darted in Rich's tent. About 5 minutes, would you say, it was all done? When sat back outside, the next thing you know, the heavens open up and it starts chucking it down. So back in Rich's tent for a bit. So yeah, a little bit of a strange phenomenon on that. But yes, I had a good night's sleep. Had a few animals and that moving around during the night, but yeah, it was good. So another spot for a winter camp. Definitely won't come here in the summer, it'd be far too busy. So until the next time, see you then.